Alright, finally finished doing all the wiring for this. I didn't even need to wire this in, so I gotta cut it off. But what I want to do is have it set here. Of course, I'm gonna organize that later. And so when I go to the drag strip, I can just turn on the car. Everything's turned on. The water meth is down there, the controller. So when I push this, it's gonna light up. The water meth lights up too. Then turn it off, and then boom, no power. I originally wanted white. I don't know why I got a red one. Maybe I ordered it wrong. I don't know. I had one for the ABS, kind of like this, but had an ABS symbol on it. But I fried the switch trying to figure out how to wire it in, so I've been using this one for now. This one's the Cyvex I just installed yesterday. Front wheel drive, and then I guess the all-wheel drive multiplier. So I'll put like more pressure in the back. So, and the 5 is neutral like it was stock. But yeah, that's it. I'm glad I got this wired in.